Hello everyone, my name is Alice and I was created by Group 1. I was speaking using text-to-speech TTS technology made by Group 1 members. TTS assistive technology uses artificial intelligence to translate information written in a human-readable form in one language into audio, voice, or speech with a human accent. Today Group 1 is going to present about the accounting theory and emerging issue of new technology, which is data automation and artificial intelligence. Before they start the presentation, let me introduce the group members. The first one is Muhammad FAUZAN bin Malek, next is SYAMEERA binti Muhammad YUSUF, KHOIRUL BARIYAH binti SALIM, SYAHIRAH binti SUHAIMI, and lastly, KAMARINA binti MOHAMAD LAZAREE.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad FAUZAN bin Malek, and now I will start this presentation by explaining what is emerging issue. It is an environmental related issue that is not yet generally recognized but could have a major impact on human well-being and the environment. An issue that is recognized as a very important by the scientific community but is not yet receiving adequate attention from the policy community. The issue could be positive or negative. Significant opportunity may be lost or undesired effect may occur in the future if it is not addressed. Alright, so now we want to see what is the emerging issue in the accounting profession is. The first one is cloud-based technology taking over, which means you need to get comfortable learning new technology. Many accounting firms have adopted cloud-based technology to conduct their work and consult with clients online. Due to the current environmental condition and market, individuals have adopted virtual accounting service for their finance and opposed to traditional in-person accounting. These leave accounting firms that have not adopted cloud-based technology tools to aid their business left behind with fewer prospects. The second one is managing cyber securities and client data. In 2022, accounting firms have continued their work from home model for employee, which means accounting service has stayed online and client data continue to be stored on the cloud. With the increase of personal information being stored online, such as a tax document, credit card credential, and social security number, there is a significant increase in cyber threats to steal the information. Now more than ever, accountants that want to protect their client data should be investing in methods to prevent cyber security hacks. Alright, so for the third one is automation versus accounting skill. Upskilling existing and new skill will be the make or break of accountant and firm success. Due to the advancement of automation, it has become more important to improve your skill to keep up with the industry. Automation has taken a lot of labor-intensive jobs from employees including payroll, financial reporting, and auditing. Although this benefits firms by improving margin due to less time spent on tasks and greater accuracy due to the elimination of human error in manual data inputting, it has also highlighted the discrepancy in accountant knowledge of technology-based skill. Due to the virtual nature of accounting now, having employees that are competent with technical and advanced accounting knowledge is beneficial. The fourth one is remote work and expense management. Globally, 16% of all companies are completely remote. Due to the ongoing pandemic, many accounting firms adopted a work from home model and move their service online. There are several benefits for client, accountant, and firm, which include easy access to information, fewer travel expenses, and fewer costs associated with office space. However, remote work poses several challenges to accounting teams that rely on in-person collaboration, meeting, and file transfer. For firms, spending risk has increased due to a fraudulent purchase. For example, a firm gives an allowance to employee to buy a new desktop for home office, but the employee buy a television for personal use. And the last one is burnout and efficiency. Every year leading up to tax season, accountants find themselves working overtime, not just casual a few extra hours, but some even say upward of 70 to 80 hours a week. The additional hours are necessary to finish compiling insight, managing tax document, and completing file for client. However, the excessive time spent working and neglect of person time and self-care result in burnout. Burnout is the feeling of emotional or physical work-related stress which result in a low energy level, fatigue, and lower accomplishment. Now I'm going to explain about data automation. So what is data automation? It is the process of uploading, handling, and processing data using automated tools instead of manually performing all these tasks. Automating the process of data uploading is important for a long-term sustainability of your open data program. Any data that is updated manually risks being delayed because it is one more task an individual has to do as part of the rest of their workload. Alright, so there are three elements in data automation, which is extract, transform, and load. The first one is extract. It is the process of extracting data from one or many source systems. The second one is transform. It is the process of modifying your data into the required format of the destination system by applying transformation, such as a flat file format like a CSV. And the last one is load. It is the process of transferring your data into a target system such as a database or data warehouse. Next, I'm going to explain about the step to automate your accounting process. The first one is evaluate existing processes and tools. Contrary to popular belief, not all accounting processes can be automated. You must evaluate your existing processes and tools to determine the software that suit to your business need. The second one is choose an accounting software and create a migration plan. Suppose you are in the market for accounting software, can be challenging to choose one for your company from the many options out in the market. It is time to migrate your data once you already choose the accounting software. You may assign a IT person to oversee the migration process while preventing errors and protecting your data. Then, onboard your accountant on the use of the new accounting platform to familiarize them with its features. The third one is set up and test automated workflow. An ideal automated workflow includes a trigger, action, and result. Let's take overdue payment as an example. You can input payment due dates into the invoicing software to flag balance not paid on time. Some platform automatically send reminder emails. Be sure to test the workflow before launching it and adjust the triggers and action accordingly. This will help to minimize potential issues in the future. The fourth one is integrate additional automation features. You may integrate more features into the accounting software to improve user experience and the process. For instance, your accountant could be more efficient by using an expense tracking features with more data available to monitor your company's financial health on a broader scale. They may also need to link your company's attendance system to your accounting software for payroll computation purpose. Here, getting your employees' feedback about the integrating add-ons into your automation system is essential since they are the primary users of the software. The last one is a monitor and communicate process changes. You only need to monitor process changes once your automated workflow is in place. Observe how your employees feel about the automated accounting process. Your accounting process should also keep up with the modern technologies. Ensure your accounting system and workflows are well equipped to handle changes in today's business landscape. This responsiveness can help you streamline your operation and improve your organizational productivity. Lastly, I will explain about the benefit of data automation. The first one is time saving. Using automation can save a huge chunk of time, and as it is said in the business world, time is money. So instead of doing tasks manually, you can use software to do a certain task for you, while you can focus on more important duties. The second one is a cost saving. Manually collecting, preparing, transforming, and analyzing data can be a waste of resource and isn't really cost effective. Data automation, on the other hand, can do all of this process in a better and faster way with a less cost. The third one is fewer error. Everyone make error and nobody is perfect. Human can make errors where data automation software cannot. The software collect, upload, and analyze massive quantities of data with high accuracy. And the last one is better use of workforce. You do not want your workers to spend all day conducting repetitive data input. It is not beneficial to your business or their personal development. With data automation, you can put your employees to better use as the software handle a boring and repetitive task. That's all from me. I will pass this presentation to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, my name is SALIM. Now let's take a look at limitation of data automation. The first one is possible fraud. Dependence on computers can occasionally result in more serious issues as most of the data is stored in the cloud. There are greater chances for the hacker to access and misuse the financial information for your company. This put asset at risk and raise the possibility of liability if hacker open credit card and business loan using employer tax identification. There is also a change that someone inside the company may access the database, possibly steal the money from daily deposit and change the program data. Owner of the businesses must take care to protect the financial data. The second one is technical issue. When dealing with the computers, issue can arise. Computer might acquire a virus and fail. There is also a potential of user incorrectly performing software tasks that they are not familiar with. If a user tries to do one thing but intentionally do something else, it might take some work to undo the error. The last one is incorrect information. Bookkeeping records are only as good as the data put into the system. Business owners that don't take the time to establish account categories properly may enter the data and generate reports that are not accurate. Business owner can do a lot to mitigate the disadvantages and potential problems associated with the computerized accounting with proper planning and software integration. Taking the time to establish it correctly is easier and cheaper than trying to backtrack when the problem occurs. Next, for impact of data automation to accountant. According to SCCA 2018, consultation job will be the most affected by automation. Companies will prefer artificial intelligence machine to handle mundane or boring tasks, including data entry. Also, arithmetic function will be conducted by specialized robot to deliver outcome with outstanding precision without downtime. Moreover, CPA will be phased out, especially in taxation division, as more people acquire handheld device that can track their earnings and file tax return. Accountants are not going anywhere and they have a new opportunity to get more from their effort. Modern software unlock the full potential of accountants and finance team. They can now easily move past many of the slow, tedious tasks they are often forced to endure. With accurate, up-to-date data on hand, accountants can be trusted, impactful business partner their companies need.
Next, I will continue this presentation with data automation in accounting industry. Basically, we have a lot of accounting software such as AutoCount, SQL, Maya, UBS, and many more. But in this presentation, I will explain two of them, which is AutoCount and SQL. In Malaysia, SME can use AutoCount as their accounting program. A firm can operate more efficient with the help of AutoCount accounting software, which combine accounting, inventory control, invoicing, payroll, and point-of-sale solution into a single business application. It has a wide range of applications and supports many business models. In essence, it is an inclusive software solution that aids in resolving various business issues. Other than that, AutoCount are very secure to access and log in. It also has in schedule recurring payment and create document templates. Last but not least, it easy backup data, invoice, and voucher. The second accounting software is SQL. SQL accounting software Malaysia is designed to help business of all sizes to streamline their accounting processes. The software leverages a range of tools such as multidimensional reporting and cutting-edge BIS tools to make accounting easier, faster, and accurate. SQL accounting system Malaysia boasts many innovative features that help business to harmonize their operation and increase their bottom line. Basically, SQL is a cloud-based platform that includes all accounting functionality and monitoring, all transaction, collection, and sales info. Next, there are 4 ways in data automation improve accounting system in a business organization. The first one is checking sources against one another to make sure they are matched. For example, the data that we recorded in spreadsheet are tally with the invoice we refer to because the system helps us in checking automatically. Hence, our clients will always be working with accurate information. Second, checking sources against past report. Automated bookkeeping bookkeeping software can automatically check those sources and reconcile them. For example, the payment that failed to reflect the amount specific company has been paid in the past and then flag it for further attention from accountant. Third, confirming payments. Between determining if a client has made an important payment and checking on incoming payment, it can be tough to make sure nothing gets missed along the way. Automated bookkeeping software can help keep up with payment and debits to all clients' accounts. The system can also automatically recalculate balance and keep track of expenses, making it easier to deliver insight into the client's spending and suggested changes for improving their financial outcomes. Last is augmenting manual tasks with automation. Some tasks still require manual input. Effective accounting and bookkeeping software can augment those processes, ensuring accuracy and speed.
Will accountants be replaced by AI?
Yes, of course.
No.
Definitely not.
Not at all.
The simple answer to that is no. The accounting profession is much more than that. It's about the value add that they can bring to your business or to you as a business owner.
I do not think it will replace 100%, but of course accountant's work will be reduced significantly with the help of AI.
An accountant is a bot keeper, a robot keeper. It's about setting systems in place to replace themselves so they can do something which brings even more value.
I didn't study for 7 years to do data entry, but there's accountants now who are doing that, and maybe they feel, oh, the work that I do every day will be replaced by technology. Well, it should be. You're better than that. Some of the work will be replaced, but it gives you an opportunity to do better quality work.
The human brain and the many professional judgment that we have to do will still not be able to handle by AI at this point in time.
Accountants engage with clients. Accountants give value-added advice, a view of what to avoid by just looking at accounts. So that's what AI cannot do.
Next, I'm going to explain what artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence is the ability for the digital computer to perform a task that commonly requires human intelligence. AI enhances internal accounting processes, including procurement and purchasing, invoicing, purchase orders, expense reports, account payable and receivable, and etc. It enables us to solve complex business problems using reasoning, learning, clarifying, and recognizing, the same as human experts. The use of AI systems in accounting is not to replace accountants, but to improve the efficiency of the accountant so that the accountant can focus on strategic planning such as financial budget planning, capital optimization, and more. The use of this technology can improve the company's performance to stay competitive in this dynamic market. With the existence of these technologies, large amounts of data can be processed and makes the data more recognizable. For this slide, I'm going to explain the objective of AI in accounting. The primary objective of AI is actually to enable computers to do cognitive functions such as decision making, problem solving, perception and interpreting, and translating human communication in any language. AI assists the accounting profession by focusing on the accounting professional goals for organizations, which is to use accounting information in order to help users make better decisions. Since the purpose of the accounting profession is to provide relevant and reliable financial information for various users in order to make useful decisions, using AI to produce such information would be more beneficial. The third objective of having AI in the accounting system is to increase the efficiency in essential and foundational routines and practices in a way that ultimately leads to better business decisions. However, the emergence of AI raises some concerns for accountants professionals. AI is crucial to high-demand businesses worldwide. AI is increasingly transforming the accounting and finance industry's operations, products, and services. AI automates most accounting tasks, so one of the issues that has arisen as a result of the emergence of AI is, will AI replace and take over the accounting profession? The short answer is no. It is unlikely for AI to replace accountants. It may reduce the need for accountants to do process-driven or repetitive bookkeeping tasks, but not higher-value accounting tasks. In the past, Accountants focus so much of their time on minor roles such as data entry and less time on primary roles. The new technologies took overdose, but human accountants are still needed to analyze and interpret data. Their experience and knowledge cannot be replaced in viewing balance sheets, making educated judgments, or making cash flow forecasts. Another human element that cannot be replaced by AI is the human experience. Yes, an AI can evaluate numbers more quickly than an accountant, but it's totally different in terms of using past experience in making connections with clients. Both human compassion and human interaction are needed to assist clients. Next, let's move on to the types of AI. There are 4 types of AI, which is the first one is reactive machines. These are the oldest forms of AI systems that have extremely limited capability. They also emulate the human mind's ability to respond to different kinds of stimuli. These machines do not have the memory-based functionality. This means such a machine cannot use previously gained experience to inform their present actions. These machines do not have the ability to learn and could only be used for automatically responding to a limited set or combinations of input. They cannot be used to rely on memory to improve their operation based on the same. The second type of AI is limited memory. Limited memory machines are machines in addition to having the capability of purely reactive machines and also capable of learning from historical data to make decisions. Nearly all existing applications that we know of come under this category of AI. In the present day, AI systems such as those using deep learning are trained by a large volume of training data that they store in their memories to form a reference model to solving future problems. The third type of AI is theory of mind. Theory of mind AI is the next level of AI systems that researchers are currently engaged in innovating. Theory of mind level of AI will be able to better understand the entities it is interacting with by discerning their needs, emotions, beliefs, and thought processes, while artificial emotional intelligence is already embodying industry and area of interest for leading AI researchers. Achieving theory of mind level of AI will require developments in other branches of AI as well. This is because to truly understand human needs, AI machines will have to perceive a human as an individual whose mind can be shaped by multiple factors, essentially understanding humans. The last one is self-aware. Self-aware AI, which self-explanatorily is an AI that has evolved to be so akin to the human brain that it has developed self-awareness. This type of AI will not only be able to understand and evoke emotions in those it interacts with, but also have emotions, needs, beliefs, and potentially desires of its own. This is the most advanced type of AI where machines can be aware of their own emotions and beliefs.
Assalamualaikum. My name is SYAHIRAH binti SUHAIMI. I will explain regarding machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, and computer science which focuses on the use of data and algorithm to imitate the way that humans learn, gradually improving its accuracy, or in another word, is the process of mathematical models of data to help a computer learn without direct instruction. Here is the article of the use of AI in accounting transaction, which is machine learning. In this article is whether the adoption of artificial intelligence system enhance the audit quality. According to this article, MIA has appropriately prepared for this emerging era of the fourth industrial revolution, IR 4.0, and has moved the global call. MIA has developed the MIA Digital Technology Blueprint, which is served as guidance for the accountant in developing appropriate action plan for their environment to respond to digital technology. Based on the result of MIA survey, further research has been conducted on the application of machine learning, and it was observed that there was rising interest in the technology among the members. By using AI in accounting transaction, AI can analyze the data for any unusual transaction or pattern documented in an audit plan for further audit testing and gathering audit plan. By adopting AI in accounting transaction, it's help in identifying any errors or fraud that may occur and help in reducing the audit risk. So, auditor can give appropriate audit opinion on their financial statement. In this article, MIA also focuses on machine learning language using MATLAB. MATLAB is used as an AI software to execute cognitive tasks. This study is carried out to examine whether the audit risk can be reduced when AI software is adopted. For the result, it showed that AI coding could help the auditor to quickly identify and isolate the advised diverse transaction and raise equation to the accountant and help the auditor to finish their work with efficiency, and also the AI software adopted help at the auditor to reduce the risk in their work and not overlook to any transaction that may cause losses to the organization and reputation of the audit firm. Artificial intelligence or AI has several opportunities for the accounting sector. AI also allowing software to learn through experience and performing. It has become a hugely powerful tool for analyzing and automating the accounting function. For the first opportunity of AI in accounting industry is to improve the efficiency of workflows and practice system. It is a common objective of accounting firm as AI has automation driver software function and its machine learning capabilities of AI software automatically learn and improve through experience. Next, AI also can improve account payable and receivable management. Account receivable trash is about to clear invoice payment when customer combine invoice in payment, pay incorrect amount, or do not include invoice numbers with their payment. So, to clear the invoice, the employee either must manually add up various invoices that will match the payment amount or contact the customer to clarify some information. AI-powered invoice management software versus make become payable more streamlined and learn the accounting code for their respective employees. And last, AI can make easier accounting and auditor tasks. In the past accounting part, where time-consuming and the service were reliable after the implementation of the AI work is simplified and accountant time is saved, consultation and advising service are also offered in an effective manner. It is also allow auditor to efficiently verify and preserve audit report. Nowadays, accounting industry also face the challenges in order to implement AI in their system. It is because of the limitation of expert and resources, motivation of the personnel, and many more. Now, let's see what challenges faced by the accountant if AI uses in accounting industry. Firstly, is the need for advanced computing power. Artificial intelligence tools and techniques require a lot of computing power, which required to process massive volume of data to build an AI system and to utilize deep learning techniques. Obtaining and finding that level of computing power is challenging for businesses, particularly for small-scale business and startup. The next challenges is accountability. There are very few AI available that can prove to be transparent, as explainable and provable, as the organization working on AI-based product cannot illustrate clearly their vision and what they have achieved with the help of AI techniques. People are doubtful its outcome and whether the output decisions are perfect or not. Other than that, the challenge of AI is raising the question of data security. In accounting, there is the usage of a lot of data, and according to the purpose of this, data are used based on AI platform. This data can be sensitive and private, hence there is a chance of data breach. The regulator for data privacy and usage is yet to come, hence is it the great concern among the organizations to implement. Other than that, the challenges of AI is raising the question of data security in accounting. There is the usage of a lot of data, and according to the purpose of this data are used based on AI platform. This data can be sensitive and private, hence there is a chance of data breach. The regulator for data privacy and usage is yet to come, hence is it the great concern among the organization to implement AI for accomplishment. And last, the rise of AI has engendered fears of job loss as machine take over work performed by people. The risk applies to using AI in accounting and finance. Future workforce will be leaner, especially in operational finance functions such as order to cash and traditional accounting, essentially bookkeeping, according to a report from Deloitte. Next, I will proceed to the recommendation in order to enhance the adoption and implementation of AI technology in accounting industry. Based in Institute of Chartered Accountant in England and Wales 2017, the first deformation in the business landscape due to AI application resulted in situation where new smart technology were integrated into business and accounting software, and many accountants encounter them without realizing their logic capabilities and full potential. Accounting technology has an irreversible impact. Accounting firms that wanted to boost productivity want to increase the consistency and efficiency of their bookkeeping procedure and workflows. Thus, to stay relevant in the changing market, company must embrace technology advancement and plan employee development workshop, train workers the application duties and relevance of automated accounting system. Firstly, accounting firm and accountant should strive to enhance their knowledge of AI, since it will help them improve their performance in various accounting functions, which leading to the elimination of unnecessary accounting costs. Therefore, the accountant must equip themselves with certain abilities and skills in order to adapt effectively to the change brought on AI. The most important skill is on the professional skill. As an accountant, if their professional ability are not up to date, or if the quality of their work is not really up to standard, there will be a major problem. As a result, it is critical for accountant to continue learning and upgrading their skills. Next, one of the most required skills is the technical expertise in machine learning, and the depth of knowledge depend on the organization size, investment policy, and innovation strategy. Despite this factor, it is important for accountant to understand the significance of quality of the used data. Moreover, financial personnel also have to develop their decision-making skill. This is the ability to efficiently evaluate the quality of a project, the tools needed to execute the project, and deliver the decision-making quickly. Financial personnel must accurately assess the economic environment which they operate, establish the state of the competition, and provide a benchmark for any company's short or long-term projection. Also, the ability to forecast and follow future economic trend as well as the level of risk. This will allow manager to recognize your value to the firm, and in turn the accounting industry, allowing the accountant to remain relevant. Last recommendation is accountant should be actively prepared to change their thinking process according the accounting function of traditional accounting, adapt to the current trends, and make accurate prediction of current and future economic prospect of various enterprise. The demand for interdisciplinary skill has risen. Therefore, accounting personnel should not only understand how to use AI, but also be capable of analyzing financial data. Last, for me, there is no doubt that AI is transforming the future of numerous professions, including accounting. The threat for labor displacement seems more as a myth than future prospect. We are facing a shift from the concept for automation of accounting tasks to its embracing AI capability by the accounting profession for its benefit. Because AI is influencing and will continue to influence the role of accountant, there is all call for accounting educator to change their mindset and develop the necessary skill and competency related to the smart technology and the traditional business application. So, now I will pass to the next presenter, BARIYAH, to explain how artificial intelligence can improve accounting system in a business organization. That's all from me. Thank you.
Let's talk about how AI will transform the audit in EY. Driverless automobiles, home energy system, and investment portfolio management are just a few of sectors where AI is already in use. AI makes possible to analyze the entire population of data and can spot outliers of exception. Computing systems that display some aspect of human intelligence are referred as AI. It covers a number of interconnected technologies such as sentiment analysis, speech recognition, picture identification, machine learning, and data mining. For instance, machine learning can be used to automatically code accounting entries. By creating sophisticated machine learning-based model, auditors can improve fraud detection. The audit is set to be further transformed by a deep learning, a form of AI that can analyze unstructured data such as email, social media posts, conference call, and audio file. An example of how AI can be applied to the audit is in contract view. Machine learning tools allows humans to analyze a larger number of contracts, such as leases, in a much shorter time frame that is possible with the traditional manual review. In a recent pilot, AI tools were able to accurately extract information from leases contract using pre-selected criteria in the vast majority of cases, a higher level of precision than the average human reviewer is capable of. By making it possible for auditors to work better and smarter, AI will help to optimize their time, enabling them to use their human judgment to analyze a broader and deeper set of data and documents. It also enables them to ask better questions and to interact more with CFO, audit committees, and company boards, adding value to the audit process. In this way, AI could contribute to providing a better quality audit and an exciting future for auditors. As for the conclusion, firms can avoid using AI technology, especially if they want to remain competitive in their future. A technology that is efficient, fast, and accurate has yet to be met. Accountants only need to accept AI technology and integrate it into their professional work to maximize the output. Accounting firms and accountants who are more qualified to adapt and utilize the AI in their accounting process will be more valuable to their client as well as the world large. To remain useful to their client or staff, it is crucial that currently employed accountants make an effort to learn the AI capabilities through seminar, college-level courses, or even self-study online programs. One can gain these IT skills. Particularly when it's come to evolving technology and business news, accounting need to stay on the top of the latest accounting trends. Therefore, rather of being afraid about AI taking away their position and profession, accountants should work to not only maintain their job but also improve the service they offer to clients. Accounting professionals ought to learn to embrace technology as useful tools for enhancing customer service. A successful and long-lasting career as an accountant is possible for those with necessary skills and training. That's all from us. Thank you.